Do you want to record how you felt after exercise, facing your true feelings? You can look at it to see if you have made any progress. To turn on the self-evaluation tools in the watch, after you finish the activity, you can create a better overall personal training record of each activity by rating your level and how good you felt while you performing. You can record how you felt during a run or bike activity. This feature is not available for all activities. Before you start evaluating an activity, you must enable the self-evaluation setting on your device. Select Activity. Press and hold the up button, then select Settings. Scroll down to Self-Evaluation. Choose Always. Now, you are good to go. When you finish the activity, and press the upper right button to stop it, select Save the activity. It will show you the perceived effort, lets you measure on a scale of 1 to 10 the amount of effort you think you put into a specific activity. The scale ranges from very light to maximum, and as well as how did you feel during the activity. Each activity can be ranked on a 5-point scale, from very weak to very strong. You will review your training logs. This is not about only the data, but also your current feelings. Although you have input the values on the watch, you cannot see the self-evaluation on it. You will only be able to see the evaluation on the Garmin Connect or Garmin Connect Mobile. That's it. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com.